Hello there! This video will show you how to install the doorbell. Complete the doorbell installation before completing the doorbell setup in the app. This video doorbell is only available to connect to a low voltage 8 to 24 volt transformer or an existing internal mechanism doorbell with a voltage of 8 to 24. First, do a Wi-Fi speed test to make sure that it has an upload speed of at least 2 megabits per second. Prepare the necessary tools in advance. The power regulator needs to be connected to your existing door chime prior to installing your new doorbell. This is needed to make sure your existing door chime continues to work and receives enough power when the new doorbell button is pressed. First, shut off power to your existing doorbell from the breaker panel or fuse box. Remove the cover of your existing door chime and you will see a wired and non-wired section. Loosen the screws and connect the power regulator in parallel to the terminal using the included connectors. Lift the orange lever on the connector, then insert the wire. Snap the orange lever back and place it to secure the wire. Secure the power cables away from the moving bell parts. The power regulator can be placed on the wall or next to the terminal using screws or adhesive tape. When everything is done, put the cover back on the door chime. Well done! The only thing left is to replace your existing doorbell with your new video doorbell. Remove the back cover of your new video doorbell by pulling it downwards. Make sure the power is still switched off for the doorbell connection. Now you can remove your existing doorbell button. Place your new video doorbell back cover in such a way the doorbell wires go through the wire hole. Mark the holes at the top and bottom where screws will be placed. If you are installing your new video doorbell on a brick or concrete, you will need to drill holes and use an included plug or anchors. The drill bit size is 5 mm. If you are installing the doorbell on wood or softer surfaces, the anchors are not needed. After drilling the holes, insert the anchors by pushing or use a hammer cautiously if necessary. Insert the wires through the hole of the back cover and screw the back cover to the wall. Push the cables and connector back into the hole until the back plate can be put flat to the surface or the wall. Wrap the wires around the screws of the back of the video doorbell. If the wires coming out of the wall are too short, use the included wires and attach these to the back of the doorbell. Connect the wires with the connector. The order doesn't matter as long as the wires are secured and separated. Do not place your video doorbell on the back cover just yet. Turn the power back on. The doorbell LED indicator will light up. Give your new video doorbell a minute to initiate and prepare for setup. Press the setup button on the back of the video doorbell for 3 seconds until it beeps. Then place the doorbell over the back cover. Follow the additional steps in the app to connect the doorbell. Use the provided security screws and screwdriver to secure your new video doorbell to the back cover. Snap the waterproof cover on for extra protection against inclement weather. Voila! Thanks for choosing Smanos, your smart portal to home while you roam.